Hello everyone, welcome to this audio-visual class. Today's interesting topic is pronouns. English grammar. Let us see. What are pronouns? This is a very common question asked by a boy called Golu. He says, there is an interesting story. My Mamaji is a policeman. Very good. My Mamaji is more dangerous than a Spider-Man. Oh, my Mamaji is very strict. Yes, my Mamaji has 5 cars. Oh well. My Mamaji is used to punish the culprit. My Mamaji is very energetic and my Mamaji speaks very bold. So this boy, who is Golu, all that time speak my Mamaji, my Mamaji, my Mamaji, yesterday Mamaji, today Mamaji, tomorrow Mamaji. So the sentence looks very awkward. My Mamaji is a policeman. One time there is noun. After that, he is more dangerous than a Spider-Man. He is very strict. He means who? Mamaji. So here Mamaji is replaced by he. He has 5 cars. He used to punish the culprit. He is very energetic. Who is very energetic? Mamaji. Golu's Mamaji is very energetic. He speaks very bold. So now the sentence looks very beautiful. So that's why pronouns are some words which replace the nouns, or these are the alternative of nouns in order to make the sentence beautiful. Definition: pronouns are the words used in the place of nouns. Example: I, we, me, us, our, you, your, he, she, it, they. Types of pronouns. Pronouns are basically 7 types: personal pronoun, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, indefinite, relative. In this module, we will discuss first possessive, reflexive, and demonstrative. Let us see. Personal. Personal means who? There are 3 persons. With the help of examples, you can understand. First person, I, we, me, us, our. Second person, you, your. Third person, he, she, it, they. Personal pronouns. Pronouns used to refer person, place or things are called personal pronoun. Suppose that you are going to celebrate your birthday. Who will eat the cake first? Those are called first person. You, it means the birthday person, I, we, me, us, our. Second is who is in front of you, like you, your. Third is he, she, it, they, who might not be present in the room but they are outside. So with the help of this example you can understand. Example: how are you? Are they ready for the match? You and they, these two are personal pronouns. Possessive: my, his, her, yours, our, its, their, your. These are called possessive pronouns. Pronouns used to refer the ownership is called possessive pronoun. Example: this is my bag. The bag is mine. In first example, it is possessive pronoun, and in second, pronoun used in objective case. So these two are very important. After my there is bag, and with mine there is no object. Mine itself is an object pronoun. It's your mistake. Mistake is noun and your is pronoun. That's why it's called possessive pronoun. And here the mistake is yours. Here with yours there is no additional noun. That's why it is called objective case of pronoun. Next, reflexive pronoun. The example of reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, ourselves, itself, myself, himself. The pronouns used to refer back to the subjects are called reflexive pronouns. Example: he himself was silent. He was silent. Himself used to reflect who he was silent. You yourself get up early in the morning. Now yourself reflect back you. So that's why it is called reflexive pronouns. Thank you and have a nice day. I am sure you understood everything. Thank you.